How to turn off badges on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down and go to Notifications. Notification settings allow users to customize how they receive alerts from various apps, controlling what is displayed, where it's displayed, and when it's displayed. On this page, scroll down to the Notification Style section and tap on any app. For example, Excel. You can manage the app notification settings from here. After that, turn off the badges switch below. You have now successfully disabled the badge alert notifications on your phone. Following these steps, you can easily turn off badges on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.